don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Yeah. Welcome to my fans to TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by Zweli and Sponiso.
Hola Stivo, hola my friends wetu.
Fruitman.
Yeah, Fruitman.
Sponiso.
Yeah.
And then abo small.
Umfana wami, umfana kaSiboniso, intwana zethu.
Enyafana.
Shosho sanibonani nonke. Ekudala ngifuna ukuzela ngizonivakashela. Ngine rival ingane yakwethu lo. Kodwa ngifuna ukulandela iKaizer Chiefs. Kodwa ngathi akunankinga ke. Ku-right endlini kube nama-rival.
Yeah. Ukhala khala kanje vele nge-Chiefs nasendlini umntwana.
Kakhulu. And ngendlela akhala wagcina uzitshela ukuthi hayi uyayithanda. Yeah, uyayithanda.
So uthanda iChiefs?
Ubheka uyabona njengoba ngihlala ngikhuluma ngeChiefs la. Kushuthi into esikhule ngayo. Yeah, from birth mesikhulwa sisilwa Pirates and Chiefs.
Yes.
Mina naye.
Yeah.
Sesidlulisele nasebantwaneni bethu izohlala njalo. Pirates Chiefs injalo. So into esikhule ngayo. Yabo i-rival yangempela ephuma kude.
Serious.
Yeah, from birth sizalelwe yona.
Ngiyakubamba.
Yes.
Ngiyakubamba. Lezi ikhosi le.
Ambuzi.
Izikhethele ore. Uyikhosi njami.
Yeah.
Favorite Chiefs. Ubaba ka Foster ngene.
Kaizer Chiefs.
You picked yourself. Or your father picked for you.
My father picked for me.
No, angiphikanga for yena. Uvela akhula into it. Ubona ubaba favor yona naye afavor yona. Yavela ngena khona.
Mara ngathi phakaniya mozo.
No, uthanda iChiefs le. Batshela ukuthi uthanda iChiefs. Batshela ukuthi uthanda iChiefs.
Ngithanda iChiefs.
Awuthandi ngobaba athi uthanda iChiefs.
Ngithanda iChiefs.
Danko. Le ithema alikufostanga nje yami.
Hayi anga.
Uzikhethele.
Yeah.
Umntana kini ngathi bamfostile. Igame ibone kanjani Zweli?
Okay, game namhlanje uyabona mesidlala nabantu abapaka ibhasi. Uyabona kunzima ukudlala nabantu abapaka ibhasi. Uyabona lento leyo ukupaka ibhasi sijwayele eKaizer Chiefs. Abantu abajwayele ukupaka ibhasi because bathembe ipace nokuthi babambe ngecounter yabo. But then unfortunately le team ezidlala nayo ayifundanga from Kaizer Chiefs ukushaya lama run lawo. But then umadlala neKaizer Chiefs, you know they do those runs, but uyabaza abo number 9 bakhona abo ranga abo yabo bavele bagijime bandlulele ngale yabo yo number 1 striker please hamba afana sokuvimba phambili uyovinjwa ama fans kodwa ke uyazi nawe hayi
Yala ngeTiefs bafethu. Aselula la Chiefs.
Uyazi the way Chiefs bathi ngithanda khona uyabona no scheme sami ngapha uze wayishiya uyishiswe yibo abo ranga ushiya kanjani amba to please ushiya kanjani Chiefs
kanjalo
idanko I mean kufanele ahambe istrike sinjani esilasta the whole season scored 2 goals senze 1 assist usamgcineleni lo muntu lo
umthetho kuphakaniya
mina hayi ngizomisa umuntu onjalo mina ngiphethe ama player adlala ku squad. Yes, squad right now
ayizini ama player ngoba naku badlalile lana sitholile corner.
No,
not even a corner. Bekufuneka lapha abantu abangabo Dupris abazo penetrate lapha i-defense. Ayikho lento azange siyibone. Enye into futhi ngizokubuza yona ungezani wasingambizanga ungezanga azodlala wenzani ungezani le Roman wenzani ngendlela le coaching ayifuni ngayi Chiefs Umikelelani ungezani.
Yini inkinga yakhe?
Why against the Chiefs kangaka?
Okay bheka ke babiziwa ama player awe Chiefs abiziwa ama player awe Chiefs adlala iCOSAF.
Yes.
Kwenzakaleni? Where are we? So good number 4 last in the group. Mokudlala bobani? Danko.
But athi zakho zenzeni Vandag.
Sikhuluma
Leyo wangaphenduli leyo.
Take a point. A point is better than no point.
Kodwa zela ngepoint la
Sizeli win, but rather take a point than take nothing. Take nothing. Beka manje kuCOSAF siku number last, the simplest cup elento la
Continental.
the simplest one. We are where we are because of because leso squad sinama Chiefs players. No.
Yazini basiyeke le iCOSAF. Basikhulume manje ngegame namhlanje. Le masiyeke le.
Leya namhlanje yes, into engisho ukuthi leya namhlanje at least we picked up the point. Of which a point is very important izosisa somewhere.
Kodwa sina bisifuna amagoli.
Yes, we wanted them azange siwathole but okusalayo a point is better than no point.
So your point is
Mina my point ukuthi yes badlalile abasikhethanga ama player with Chiefs right kodwa okusalayo lana asibonanga an impact especially when it comes to striking. Laba sibazi iPirates has good players. They can strike, they can score but namhlanje bahlulwe yini. Lapho futhi ke iChiefs ingekho lapho bazokwazi ukubreaka bathi yazi iChiefs vele ihlulekile ayikho ke thina sikwazile nokukora sawina thina bisifuna iwin sitsheleni ngewin ukuthi siwinile abadlali beChiefs bengekho
I draw. I draw.
Into ngichaze ngisafika ukuthi lana mesedlala nabantu abapaki ibhasi.
Yes.
Yabo kunzima ukupenetrate against abantu abapaki ibhasi in a way, but then unfortunately at least as long as sithole a point.
Okay bafethu ngicela ukuyivala ngoba sebayakhala man of the match.
Man of the match namhlanje. Man of the match namhlanje ibhasi ile bhasi leli melipakiwe eTanzania.
Manje ithi ezakho ziyahluleka.
Lalela. Ezami azihluleki. Kuhluleka labantu abangekho ku top 8. Ngizokhuluma nabantu abangekho ku top 8. Abantu mebabambe iumbrella bayibambele iRichards Bay. Bake bahlala ku number 8. Bahlala isikhathi eside. iChiefs ihleli after lapho yathini Richards Bay siyabonga kusibambela number 8 yangena nangomunye sikhukhune nangomunye obambe umbrella kanti iumbrella yabanjwa ku number 3 ngicala ukubona ngosikhukhune
wena uyibambile umbrella
uhlale ku number 3
celebrator wathi winile league mina sange ngathi ngiwine number 3 or anything
uthe wena
uwinile league
uthe wena uya Africa awuyanga uthe wena uya Africa yafika i team